Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan 'abduhu wa rasuluh la nabiyya wa rasula ba'da ma ba'd. First of all, thanks to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us some mercy and blessings so I can watch my video and I can make this video with good condition and happy station. Secondly, masalat and salam also be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into likeness, who has brought us from the Jahiliyyah era into the Islamic era. Alright everyone, my name is Rahman Rahman, you can call me Fahman, and now welcome to the third video or the third content of Kodular review. Alright guys, so now in this video, I'd like to review my third project that is Talk to Me app. So simply this application is for you know what, if you speak in front of the phone, then there will be text that will appear on the screen. Yeah, so I'll make do or I'll make the application like that. Alright, so don't take a long time, let's get started. First, of course, we need cart view here. You can search on palette, cart view, and then you can drag and drop and make it the height and the weight is fill parent. Then there is space 5 for here for make a space between the top and the text of the app. Then there's label, talk to me app, and there is space again. So like the space between talk to me app and the talk to me main palette. And then there is a cart view. So here, as you can see here, there's some white rectangle, and this is for we put some palette like the text, speak button, record button, and the text that will appear on here. And inside of cart view 2, there is space 6 for make space. Then there is a label for make text will appear below. Then there's space again. There's text box. So here, this here is the new palette that we'll learn in this video. Text box. So if you search in palette text box, so there will be here. You can drag and drop, and this is for show the text that we speak on it. And there's a space. There is some horizontal arrangement for put space. There's speak button and space again, and there's a record button. I guess maybe that's all for the designer session. And next, I'd like to review the blog session here. So here's the blocks that I use for this project. First is when screen one. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot something. Designer one and designer again. Here, there are three palettes that maybe we learn in this video. First is speech recognizer. Second is text to speech. And third is decoration. all of these components, all of this palette, you can search on palette, of course. So, alright, next we're gonna continue in blocks. Alright, yes, let's continue to the block session. So here, as you can see, the first is when screen one initialize, do call decoration set shape component text box input, background color white, border color purple, background false. And there is call decoration set padding component text box input and values 10, and then set text to speech dot country to inner. And there is when button speak click, do call text to speech 1, speak message, text box input the text, then when button record click, do call speech recognizer get text, then when speech recognizer after getting text result control, do set text box input the text to get result. So here first I will explain you one by one. First is when screen one initialized. So it will do calling the decoration one here to set shape component to text box input. Then for the background color, it'll be white, and the border color it'll be purple. And for the is round, it's rose. Then the second one, the screen one will call decoration one to set padding component to text box input and change the values to 10. Then third is screen one will do set to the text to speech that country to ina. Then one button speak click here button speak do call the text to speech and speak message text box
Kak,
the
kita jam
text.
11.30 ya?
Then when button record click do call speech recognizer get text. Then when speech recognizer after getting text result and partial do set text box input the text to get result. So yeah, maybe that's all for the designer and the blog's review. And now, like usual, I'm gonna test it on my phone and from this project. Alright, alright, guys. So I'm already connected to this phone. Alright, so how if you still don't know how to connect it from Kodular to phone, you can uh see my video tutorial from the previous episode. Alright, so here is so if with text so here so you can see here there is some box that you can input some text here. Alright, for example, I will put here. I input hello, then I click speak button here. Then it'll be hello, 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 hello. Next, for example, cool, cool. Here, yes. Uh, Speak it. Cool, cool. Alright, so the next option is there's the record button here. You can see the rec button. And if you click it, it'll be like this. And then if we say something here, if we say something here, then there will be a text that appear on text box. Okay. Test. Second again. Here is the text box. Alright, so yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes in my word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.